YouTube provides a free audio library with music and sound effects that you can use in your videos. This tutorial outlines the steps to access and download tracks from the library. What the audio library offers: the YouTube audio library contains music and sound effects that are free to use. Each track includes license information, such as whether attribution is required. The library can be filtered by genre, mood, and duration. Steps to download music. First, open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Sign into your account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Audio Library. This will open the YouTube Audio Library. Scroll through the library to find the music you want to download. You can preview tracks by clicking the play button next to each track. You can also filter the library by genre, mood, or duration to narrow your search. On the right side, you will find the license type for each audio track. This tells you whether attribution is required and whether the track can be used in your videos. To download a track, click the download button on the far right of the track row. The file will be saved to your computer, ready for use in your projects. Limitation: the YouTube audio library is free to use, but some tracks require attribution in your video description. The library is best suited for content creators who need background music or sound effects for their videos without worrying about copyright claims.